Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show y'all one of the most basic stitches that there is in crochet, the single crochet stitch. So this stitch is a stitch that you will use more than probably almost any other stitches when you crochet. This is one of the foundation stitches that you need to learn if you're going to crochet. There are so many patterns that call for the single crochet stitch. So if you're new to crocheting, or maybe you learned maybe a half double or double crochet to begin with, you need to know how to single crochet. So in this video, I am going to show y'all how to make this single crochet stitch. But before I go any farther in this video, if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, be sure and click that subscribe button so you will never miss any more new stitch tutorials or free crochet patterns. And we'll jump right into this and I'll show you how to do the single crochet. Okay, so to get started, you just need any yarn with the corresponding hook will work. I'm using a worsted weight and an H or a 5mm hook. So first we gotta make a slip knot to put on our crochet hook. And to make a slip knot, I'm gonna take the tail of my yarn and put it in my hand like so, and I'm gonna wrap the working yarn around my fingers twice. I'm gonna pull the back yarn over the front, back yarn over the front, and then grab this back yarn and pull. And then that is how you make a slip knot. And then I'm going to put it on my crochet hook here like so. And we're going to tighten it down. Not too tight, but just a little bit. You don't want to get too tight because you won't be able to work, but like so. And before you can do the single crochet, we're going to make some chain stitches. So we'll have something to work our single crochet into. So I'm going to chain, probably 11 stitches. And the stitch count isn't, it doesn't matter if you chain an odd number or even number of stitches for this stitch. So here we go. And then what we're going to do is in the second, we're going to skip this first stitch, and in the second stitch from our hook, we're going to insert our crochet hook like so. We're going to yarn over, pull up a loop, we're going to 2 loops on our hook, we're going to yarn over, pull through both loops, and that is one single crochet. Okay, so we'll repeat that across the next chain stitch. We'll insert our hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through both loops. So now I've made 2 single crochet, and you're just going to repeat that all the way across. You're going to insert your hook, and then the next chain stitch, you're going to yarn over, pull up a loop, and you're just going to continue repeating that all the way across. And that's how easy it is to do the single crochet. I'll get to the end here and show you how to turn around and go back the other direction. Okay, very last one. Pull through both. Okay, so that's what it looks like after you've completed your first row of single crochet. Looks like that. And now if you want to turn your work and go back and work back down and do another row of single crochet, all you're going to do is you're going to chain 1, and you're going to turn your work like so, and you're going to work a single crochet in this very first stitch right here. So I'll insert my hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, 2 loops, yarn over, pull through both loops. And you will just repeat that all the way across. And every time you come to the end, you'll chain 1, turn your work, and repeat. And that is how easy it is to crochet the single crochet. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, be sure to subscribe, and happy crocheting, guys!